While most traders are sleeping on altcoins, SEI Network just dropped news that has me questioning whether we're about to witness the next explosive breakout in the crypto space. And here's the kicker. This isn't just another partnership announcement. This is a fundamental shift that could unlock millions of dollars in trading volume, reduce friction for DeFi users, and potentially send SEI's price into uncharted territory. But before you rush to buy, there's something critical you need to know about SEI's current price action that could make or break your next trade. Stay with me because what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. What's up, crypto family? Welcome back to the channel where we decode the most profitable opportunities in the digital asset space. If you're new here, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're about to dive deep into one of the most undervalued Layer 1 networks in the entire crypto ecosystem. Today we're talking about SEI Network. And trust me, this isn't your typical altcoin analysis. We're looking at a convergence of factors that rarely align in crypto: major exchange integration, institutional adoption, cross-chain infrastructure upgrades, and a technical setup that screams opportunity. But here's what makes this story absolutely fascinating. While Bitcoin and Ethereum dominate the headlines, SEI has been quietly building one of the most robust ecosystems in DeFi. We're talking about a blockchain that processes transactions faster than Solana, with lower fees than Polygon, and now, with this latest backpack integration accessibility that rivals Coinbase. The timing is everything in crypto, and right now, SEI is positioned at the intersection of three massive trends: the Layer 1 narrative heating up, institutional DeFi adoption accelerating, and retail investors finally discovering alternatives to the Ethereum ecosystem. Current market cap, just $1.66 billion. Compare that to Solana's $85 billion or Cardano's $12 billion, and you start to see the potential here. But market cap is just one piece of the puzzle. What really matters is adoption, utility, and momentum, and SEI just scored big on all three fronts. Here's where things get interesting. SEI Network just went live on Backpack, and if you're thinking this is just another wallet integration, you're missing the bigger picture entirely. Backpack isn't just any crypto wallet. This is the platform that's been gaining serious traction among professional traders, DeFi power users, and institutional players who demand a comprehensive trading experience. We're talking about a user base that typically moves serious volume and holds positions for strategic purposes. But the integration goes deeper than simple wallet support. Users can now trade SEI tokens directly on Backpack, and here's the game-changer: use native USDC on the SEI network for settlement. Why does this matter? Because trading with stablecoins has always been the holy grail of crypto trading. No more dealing with wrapped tokens, no more uncertainty with cross-chain bridges, no more slippage eating into your profits. This creates a seamless trading environment that could attract serious liquidity to the SEI ecosystem. And here's something that caught my attention. Backpack is now officially listed as a recommended wallet for the entire SEI ecosystem. This isn't just about convenience, this is about developer adoption and user onboarding. When developers recommend specific wallets, it reduces friction for new users entering the ecosystem. Think about it. How many times have you wanted to try a new DeFi protocol but got stuck on wallet compatibility issues? That friction just disappeared for SEI-based applications. But wait, there's more. While everyone was focused on the Backpack news, SEI quietly made another move that could be even more significant. In July, they integrated with Chainlink CCIP cross-chain interoperability protocol. Now you might be thinking, another cross-chain integration, so what? But here's why this is massive. Chainlink CCIP already secures over $18 trillion in on-chain value. We're not talking about some experimental bridge protocol. This is battle-tested infrastructure used by the biggest players in DeFi. This integration means SEI can now support fast and secure asset transfers between networks. In today's multi-chain world, interoperability isn't just nice to have, it's essential for survival. Projects that can't move assets seamlessly between chains get left behind. June brought another piece to the puzzle. MyWebAC, a Web3 security platform, officially launched on SEI. This platform provides real-time risk monitoring and wallet address reputation systems. Here's why this timing is perfect. SEI has been upgrading its infrastructure, DEX volume is increasing, and now they're addressing the security concerns that often hold back institutional adoption. Fast transactions without security guarantees still make institutions nervous. MyWebAC solves that problem, and here's something that really caught my eye. CoinShares just launched a staked SEI ETP for European investors. This isn't just another crypto product. This is institutional-grade access with a 1 guarantee, 2% annual staking returns, and 0 management fees. When traditional finance companies like CoinShares create products around specific cryptocurrencies, it signals serious institutional interest. They don't launch ETPs for projects they don't believe have long-term potential. Now let's talk about what really matters: the money. SEI is currently trading at $0.2881, and the recent price action is telling a story that most traders are completely missing. We just saw a 1.81% drop, but here's the key detail. SEI is hovering just above a critical support zone near $0.285. The recent lower wick shows early signs of buyer interest, which suggests institutional accumulation at these levels. This is classic market behavior. Big players don't announce their entries, they accumulate quietly at support levels while retail investors panic about temporary dips. The $0.285 level isn't random. This represents a key Fibonacci retracement level from SEI's previous rally, and it's also where we've seen significant volume accumulation in recent weeks. Here's my trading thesis. If SEI holds the $0.285, $0.288 range, we could see a push towards $0.296 and potentially much higher. The fundamentals we just discussed, backpack integration, Chainlink CCIP, institutional products, these are catalysts that could drive serious buying pressure. But trading is about managing risk, not just chasing profits. A breakdown below $0.284 would invalidate this bullish thesis and could open doors to deeper downside. For those following along with position sizing, here's how I'm looking at potential entries. Entry zone, $0.285, $0.288. Stop loss, $0.282. Tight risk management. The first target is $0.294, second target, $0.299, and the third target, $0.305. This gives us approximately 2-1 risk reward on the first target, with potential for much higher returns if the broader market cooperates. With a $1.66 billion market cap, SEI is still flying under the radar compared to other Layer 1 networks. But institutional money is starting to notice. When European investment products launch and major wallets integrate, it signals the beginning of mainstream adoption. The DeFi space is evolving beyond Ethereum's dominance. Users want speed, low fees, and reliability. SEI delivers on all three, and now they're adding the accessibility and security features that institutional players demand. Short-term traders should watch the $0.285 support level closely. A bounce from here with increased volume could signal the start of a significant rally. Long-term investors should consider SEI's position in the broader Layer 1 narrative. We're still early in the adoption cycle for alternative blockchains, and SEI is building the infrastructure that could make it a dominant player in the next bull market. The European ETP is particularly significant because it provides regulated exposure to SEI staking rewards. This could attract pension funds, endowments, and other institutional investors who want crypto exposure with traditional finance compliance. The crypto market is full of hype and speculation, but occasionally fundamental developments align with technical opportunities to create genuine investment prospects. SEI Network appears to be having one of those moments. The backpack integration isn't just about wallet compatibility, it's about creating frictionless access to one of the fastest-growing DeFi ecosystems. Combined with institutional products, security enhancements, and cross-chain infrastructure, SEI is positioning itself for significant growth. But remember, no investment is guaranteed. Always do your own research, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider your risk tolerance before making any trades. What do you think about SEI's recent developments? Are you seeing the same bullish signals, or do you have concerns about the broader market environment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one and often respond with additional insights. If this analysis helped you understand the SEI opportunity better, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dive crypto content. We're building a community of informed investors who profit from understanding market dynamics, not just following hype. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest market updates, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be analyzing another hidden gem in the crypto space. This content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry significant risk, including the potential for total loss of capital. The crypto market is highly volatile and unpredictable. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with qualified financial advisors before making investment decisions. The presenter may hold positions in the cryptocurrencies discussed. This content is not sponsored by SEI Network, Backpack, or any other mentioned entities.